Good morning, YouTube subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm down here in the campgrounds. The trailer's all set up. It's American Best Campground. Being a lot of people down here. Some travel far and far away to come here. One guy's from Washington. There's the building with the pool. Shower house, bathroom. Back in my trailer. As water's dripping off of it. I'll walk up and look at this little trailer I just got set up. Very beautiful morning down here in Branson, Missouri at the American Best Campgrounds. Checked in yesterday, didn't have a chance to actually anything. Whether or not here yet, everything is going to shoot. Anyway, good morning and happy Independence Day to everybody on my YouTube channel. We are coming to you live. Where the campsite is. There's the pool. The sign. Says, welcome to American Best Campground. A wagon train here. Bells. Check in it. There's a lot of camp stuff here. I've got 250 units. Yep, good morning. Morning. Thought they're having some food today, guys. Bingo, pool party, snow cone, bounce house, kids tournament, a dart cornhole. You ought to come down and check this campground site out. It's pretty cool. It's been voted #1 camp site of America. A lot of people come to this site. Old man walking. He's exercising like me. Can't believe that today America is 250 years old.
Yeah, exactly.
Boy, how time flies. Freedom ring. Got a game room, shower house, toilets, wash machine and dryers, a big water tower. On the other side of those trailers is a place to wash your camper out at. Wash your camper. Got a little playground for the little ones. There's the game room. There's the back room. There should be a laundry facility. So if you want to do laundry, you can do your laundry right there. $2 a machine. Do not take debit cards. Morning. Thank you for your services, sir.
Gonna be another muggy day.
I'm from Missouri. This is nothing for me.
What's that?
I'm from here. Isn't it nothing for me? I get used to this heat. When I go to Arizona and New Mexico and all that, that's when I get hot.
Because I lived in Tampa for about 17 years.
Well, I've been driving tractor trailers for 25 years, going on 26. So when I go out west, I get hotter and sweatier than I do here. But thank you for your services.
Oh, you're welcome.
It's okay. I ain't scared of them. That's a little ankle biter.
Yeah. You I think you got enough heat to bite something.
Have a good day. Let everybody know that today of reckoning. Thieves don't cut through people's property, these people. You're not supposed to walk through other people's campsites. So come here and be respectful. That guy's gonna have fun with that. I had a wire just like that. Got a dog on the bathroom. Just got body boat instead of an RV. Morning. I smell bacon. Alright, there we go, guys. The 4th of July weekend. I'm not be live. I'm in a video, not live. I'm not doing a live video. I don't have nobody in my subscribers channels yet. Still working on it. Oh, a lot of walking. Well, I want to get some video footage of all the campsites. beautiful Smoky Mountains. Branson Mountains. There's my camping trailer. I gotta get the roof painted on it, get the algae off of it. Sitting right over there. Let the whole world know that today reckoning, let the weak be strong. Last night went to see Clay Cooper in concert. 2 hours long. He did an awesome show. At the end, he did the America the Beautiful, God Bless the USA, Have You Forgotten? He did a lot of B&D, Books of Dawn songs. He's a real good comedy kind of guy. Don't sit up in the front row. He'll pick you out of the lineup, put you up on stage. But he's a Texan. He moved here when he was 16. Been through all his life. The rest of his since then, he loved Branson. He loved the country, scenery and stuff. Glad to have him. I hope y'all like my content and will subscribe and share my channel and like it, please. I'm trying to build my trying to get at least 1,000 subscribers. That's my goal. If I get 1,000, I'll go for 10,000. But for now, I'd just like to get some subscribers. Please, thank you. It helps the channel out a lot when people share my channel. People see it too. Well, remember, today is the birthday of America. 250 years ago, we became a United States of America. So I'll do some videotaping later on downtown Branson, maybe the Bible show tonight. Probably going to go check out some stuff around town. Gotta clean this camping trailer up. It's got algae over it because it's setting. But I'll get that algae off. Get the roof painted white. I got a bucket of paint coming in the mail for it. Thank you all for watching my channel. Have a happy 4th of July. And remember, God bless the USA from the sea to shining sea. And I'm proud to be an American. Well, at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the man who died and gave that right to me. Alright, let's stand.